There's a powerful group of muscles you can't see, but they can change everything. Your pelvic floor controls strength, stability, and even pleasure. Stronger control, better stability, enhanced performance. Train your pelvic floor with the unbelievable 4. You'll gain better control, stronger core stability, and improved performance. Kegel exercises strengthen these deep muscles through simple contraction and release. Start with a basic hold. Tighten, hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Next, quick pulses. Contract and release rapidly to build control. Now the elevator. Gradually tighten in stages, then slowly release. Build endurance by holding longer, increasing strength over time. Avoid common mistakes. Don't tighten your abs, glutes, or hold your breath. The best part? You can do these exercises anytime, anywhere. Just a few minutes a day can transform your strength, control, and confidence.